there, welcome to today's show of Breakfast Bibles, babies. Today we're going to be learning colors, while we also learn how to make our very own slime. All you need is 4 ingredients. First, you'll need 1 to 3 ounces of contact solution, followed by 1 4 ounces bottle of Elmer's glue. Then add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. No need to worry about exact measurements. Babies are known for making a bit of a mess. Don't forget to take turns if you're making this with a friend or sibling. Last, add the food coloring, but remember that a little goes a long way. When all the ingredients are in, you're ready for my favorite part. The time when you get to stir it all up. The more contact solution you add, the harder your slime gets. So if it's a bit gooey, just keep adding until it's a nice consistency. If you want to get creative, add water, pearls, or glitter. Are you ready to learn colors with me? Yeah! Ready, set, go! White, blue, pink, purple, silver, gold. I'm going to add my favorite color, pink. My assistant will then add some blue. Ready to play? Wow, that feels silly. Much fun. We sure appreciate you joining us today and hope you'll come back for more creative fun and education. In the meantime, I'll be over here enjoying my homemade slime. See you next time, folks.